second, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to take science seminar. So, in this seminar, I'm going to talk about chapter 7, getting to know plants. So, this chapter is all about plants and types of plants, edible parts of plants. So, I hope you all are ready to study. Let's get started. So, first of all, types of plants. There are 5 types of plants. What are they?
Herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers.
One person enough, no chorus answers. Gautam, if you are asking question, you call out the name. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Press,
Can I say it?
Yeah.
Herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers.
Yes. Herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, climbers. So, what is herbs? It is plants with green and tender stem. It has a green stem and they are usually short and do not have many branches in it. So, such plants are called herbs. What are shrubs? Shrubs. Plants develop branches on the base of their stem. The stem is so hard but thin, and such plants are called shrubs. Can anyone tell what is trees? Everyone know what is trees. Can anyone?
Trees are
Stem is very thick.
Stem is so hard and has many branches.
I will ask. 1 second. Can you shut it?
A tree is a type of plant that has a very thick stem called a trunk. And
Usually correct, but can you explain one something important?
example.
yeah, I can tell you examples. Coconut trees, mango trees.
Yeah, you are right. Yes, some plants are tall and have a thick and hard stem. The branches in it is in the upper part and also leaves so much above from the ground. And such plants are called trees. Yes, can anyone tell creepers?
Manu,
Yes, Manu.
plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground.
Yes. So, this had a weak stem. It means that it can't stand straight up above the ground. So, it means it can only spread on the ground. So, yes, Manu, you are right. Can anyone tell what is climbers?
Can I even tell?
I'll ask Agni. Excuse me?
Plants that grow up like that.
Yeah, it means that if you hear this word climbers, it means that it will climb up and up as it grows. So, but it needs a support to climb up. So, these plants are called climbers. So, you can see the pictures of herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. So, you can see herbs. It is so usually short. And herbs, the branches grow on the base of their stem, and trees, it grows on the upper part. So, and climbers, it need a support to climb up, and creepers spread on the ground. Next, edible part of plants. You can see flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud, primary root, and secondary root. So these are the edible parts of plants. I would like to ask anyone to tell an example of flower which is edible.
Pumpkin flower.
Can I tell? Ayman, are you there?
What did you say?
Tell an example of a flower which is edible.
Your voice is low.
I ask the flower which is edible.
I don't know.
Can I tell?
Can
Yes, I will ask you. Angelina, please.
Can
Can you tell Angelina?
cauliflower.
Yes. You're right. Richard, can you tell the example of fruit?
Apple.
Yes. Can anyone tell example of stem? Yes, Tanya.
The stem of bay tree.
Yeah.
Bay tree.
Which is edible.
Banana tree. The stem. Can receive.
Yes. I did not hear clearly from Tanya. Can anyone tell? Rizzi?
Can
Yes, Rizzi. Yes.
Sugar cane.
Yes, right. Can anyone tell an example of
What?
What? I can hear you.
Example of bud.
yes?
Okay. Glow. Glow.
What? What are the
No.
CLOVE.
yes?
Glow.
Okay.
Is that edible?
Yeah,
Yes.
glow is a spice, correct? We put
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's edible, ma'am. Glow is a spice, right?
and spice, but it's a edible thing, no? We are putting in the make it powder and cooking curries.
In
Ah,
biryani.
yes, powder. Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine. Continue.
So can anyone tell example of fruit? Everyone know that.
Can Cheryl?
What? Fruit?
Root.
Root.
Fruit. Ambrose.
Can Cheryl?
No, once again, Ambrose.
Yes.
Ambrose, can you tell an example of root?
Which can be eaten, Ambrose.
So easy, please tell.
It's so easy. Hmm?
Vitamin A.
Turnip.
Vitamin
Cherry.
Yes.
Cherry.
Yes. Tapioca.
Yeah, tapioca.
Correct.
Yes, it's right. You can see that leaves like spinach, kale, lettuce, arugula, and
Ma'am,
Microgreens.
sweet potatoes is there, right?
Yes.
sweet potato.
Is in down of the.
Mute it, everyone. Please mute it. Let's Gautam continue. Can you mute everyone, please?
So
Yes.
flowers like broccoli and cauliflower, stem like celery and asparagus,
Bamboo shoots.
and rhubarb and sugar cane, roots like carrot, radish, turnip, and sweet potato, fruit like banana, apple, orange, watermelon, and bud like lettuce and cabbage, seed like peanut, pista, cashew nut. So you can see some 4 pictures of this spinach leaves and sugarcane stem, radish root, watermelon fruit, and cauliflower flower, and sunflower seed is seed, cabbage bud. So I hope you all understood my talk. Thank you.
Awesome.
Okay, very good presentation, Gautam. Actually, this is what we wanted in a seminar. Usually what you'll do, no? You make so many slides and you just read it. What is in the slide? It's not supposed to be. Seminar means you can make use of the slide and then you have to explain, ask us, interactive session, how the teachers make you to say something. So like that. That is the seminar. And when I say PPT presentation, it is just PPT are making and showing. But seminar means you need to explain your own words. Not only which is on the slide. You have to put it from your hand. No, something general, you have to give it. Not all that things should not be in the slide, but when you give a topic, there should be something more to say about that particular topic. So that is the difference between seminar and presentation. Okay. Okay.
Presentation,
Very
yes,
good,
ma'am.
Gautam. Awesome. And you have done very well. Okay. So next, I move on to Vishnu Aigare. I already told you. Chinmay. Chinmay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Chinmay, you also going to present your PPT, okay? Because you are not completed a seminar, so it will be counted as a seminar. Dia, empty. Where is Dia?
Ma'am, which day on
Same
Monday?
part, same PPT. What you made
On Monday?
on Monday. Okay. What about Dia? Dia, empty. Dia is present. Okay. Anyway, we will have only 3 on Monday. Remaining on, I will, as at the time pass by, I will give others to chance who did not present the seminar so far. They can present their PPT as a part of their seminar. Okay, that is what. Okay, children. So last class, we are moving on to the chapter. So I think nothing more to, I don't want to explain more about this edible parts and type of the plants. Everyone knows about it. So it is going to be repetition. So now I am going to the thing which you did not do. So far, 5th standard, you have studied about seeds and fruit. There's a chapter, seeds and fruits. Do you remember in 5th standard?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
So we completed the study of seeds and fruits in that chapter. Now this year, you are going to study the other parts, that is leaf, stem, root, and flowers. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
we are going to
dispersed
learn.
and
Yeah.
the type
Now-
of dispersed.
Yeah. Now we are going to study about the leaf. Leaf, not only just seeing the leaf. You have to see something more. You have to study about the leaf. That's a study. So we are going to learn structure of the leaf. So last class, we just learned importance of the food. Importance of the plants in our daily life. Okay, Sri Shankar, can you say importance of the plants in our daily life? Shreya, can you just go and pluck a leaf and come if you have at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go. By the time I ask the Sri Shankar a question. Sri Shankar, give me
Ma'am.
the some important uses of leaf in our daily life. Sorry,
Yes,
plants,
ma'am.
not leaf, plants.
If there is no plants, we can't
Hmm.
get food items.
So one is food. What are the next use
Food.
of it?
One is food. The next one, it help us from disasters.
Disasters. Okay, that is one other thing. And more? Food helping from disasters. Okay, I can ask to other person.
Yes, ma'am. Plants will
Tanya?
help. Like trees
Yeah.
will help from
Okay, Sri
disasters.
Shankar, you can mute it. Tanya, what are the other uses?
Oxygen to live.
Oxygen to live. Okay, good. One more point. Okay, Tanya, good. Shall I go to now Adil Shafiq? Can you give one use of plants in our daily life? Food is over. It is helping us to breathe. It is helping us from natural disasters and another uses.
Medicinal uses
Medicine. It is used for medicine. Anything more? You know, Adil?
and cosmetics.
Cosmetics. Very good. So cosmetics. And also, Agne, there is something when you construct the houses, what we use from the plants. When you construct the house, something is very common.
Ma'am, can Rudra?
Agne, you can think and tell me, look at your house, in which chair are you sitting? Is it decoration? Decoration. Okay. What type of chair are you using now to sit?
Plastic.
Plastic. Okay. What type of cupboard you have at home?
Wood.
What is the use of the plants? Agne?
Furniture.
Okay, good. Now got it. Yes. So we are making use of making the plants to make the furnitures. And also you must have observed, no? During construction site, they will put lot of bamboo sticks before concrete. Protecting that
Yes, ma'am.
whenever they are making use of it. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the thing what we have completed in the last class. And also apart from this, we use for food. And what are the things you are used already? Gautam explained. All type of parts, nearly 6 parts are edible. That is root, fruit, leaf, stem, flower, seed. There are mainly 6 parts. 6 parts are mainly we are using as our edible parts of the plant. Okay. Agne, why are you smiling? Huh? Okay. Can you mute it now? Shall we go now? Next, we are going to see parts of the plant and their function. Can you write the heading now? Today's topic, parts of plant and their function. So you are going to study detail about the importance of leaf in our daily life.
What is the heading? Parts of
Yeah,
plant and
parts of plant and their function. Okay, Rudra Krishna, can you read on the slide what I have given?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Part of plant and their function. Each part of the plant has its own work to do.
Mm.
All these parts work together to keep the plant alive. There are 2 main parts of plants. One is shoot, ma'am, it's shoot,
Yes, shoot.
and the other is root.
Yes. Okay. So what are the main parts of the plant? There are mainly 2 parts. One is root.
Shoot and root.
Shoot and root. Now
Shoot
we are
and
going to
root.
see shoot is not taking gun and shooting. Okay. This is a one major part of the plant. So plant is mainly divided into 2 parts. That is the first one we call it shoot.
shoot.
And second one we call it root. Okay. Now what is the difference? If you look at here, which is the shoot? Shoot
It's a
is
green,
shoot
green
is
color.
always. We are going to see what is shoot. Yes. So come to the definition of the shoot.
Ma'am, do we have to write this definition each part of the plant? That
No,
one?
no. You only write the 2 main parts. Okay. Yes. Richard,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read what is shoot? It is clearly given. What do you mean by the shoot of a plant?
The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called shoot.
Continue.
And the leaves, flowers, and fruits are all the parts of shoot.
Did you get that, children? How do you say that? Shoots are stem, branches, leaf, flowers, and fruits. Who can explain that? Why do we say that like that? The shoots are stem, flowers.
And the upper part of the plant, part of the plant which is above soil is called the shoot.
Ma'am, it's also like stem, right?
All shoot system.
Angelina, you are explaining something. Okay, Angelina Jones, you say. What do you mean by this?
We call it shoot because they go in a upper way. We can, if we shoot bullet, it goes straight, but it goes up.
Not that.
Cheryl.
No,
Cheryl.
Adinath. What do you mean by you are calling part of the plant that grows above the soil is called shoot? Why? And stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits all are parts of the shoot. Why? Why do we say that? Huh?
Because it grew.
No. Can you mute everyone? One person who did not. Advika, any idea?
No, ma'am.
No. Cheryl Mary, any idea?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Yes. Who has idea? Isha Binoy, any idea?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. What about the Rizin? Any idea? No. Ayman? No. Ayman is raising.
The part
Yes,
above
Ayman.
the ground, when the part above the soil is shoot.
Shoot. My question is, it is already given in the slide. Okay. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called a shoot. Stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits, all the parts of, they are known as parts of the shoot. Why do we say that? That's my question.
But it's above the ground.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
No, it's not the answer.
ma'am, because
Ma'am, can I
there
just
is
write?
sunlight.
No. Yes,
We can
Vinayak
just-
Rajiv. Any idea?
Can I sing?
No.
Excuse me, ma'am,
Okay.
can I try?
Yeah, Shreya, try.
And they're called shoot because roots grow under the ground and they spread to all the sides. But
Hmm.
shoots are just growing above the soil and becoming tall.
Yes. So what you said partially is correct, but you didn't come to the correct point. Have you seen every day you observe the plant over there? Have you
Ma'am, is
seen
it
every
germination?
plant has a small bubble-like structure is forming in on either side of the stem? Do you think a bubble-like structure for any plants you take?
Ma'am, is it germination?
Ah, no germination. When you go to the next day, what is that? Branches. You must have observed every new plant has some kind of bulb-like structure forms every day on the stems. And when you go to next day, you can see this bulbous structure is either grown into a small leaf, either grown into a plant and flower, or either grown into a branch. Do you agree that? Did you get it what I'm trying to say? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
If you observe the plant every day, there are small bulb-like structure in every plant stem. And as daily you observe that small shoot, that bulb-like structure is shoot. And some of the plants, that bulb-like structure shoot is turning into new leaf. Some of them, it is turning into a flower. And some of them, it is turning into a new branch. So that is what importance of shoots. The plants are divided into two, means root and shoot. Shoot means it only grows above the soil in different shapes. Different shapes means some shoot can be a flower, some shoot can be a new leaf, some shoot will turn into a branch, some shoot will give you a fruit. Have you observed papaya tree? Papaya tree is very common.
Yes.
What does first come to papaya tree? After leaves are grown, once it became big,
Ma'am,
where
but-
does the
but-
flower grow? Where does the flower grow in papaya tree?
Ma'am, in upper part. At the top.
Upper part. In which part of the plant
Stem.
the flower
Stem.
come? Before the flower to come, what does form first?
Bud.
There is a small
bud.
bud. And this bud is coming from which part of the plant? Shoot. Yeah. So on the stem, first shoot comes. And then from the shoot, it will be turned into either flower, either leaf, either branch. Okay. Some also will give fruit. Papaya fruit, first flower will come. Within few days, what will happen? The flower will turn into a new papaya. Okay. Yeah. But you have to observe that a papaya tree has got both male and female. Male will give the flowers like bunches. They will never give you papaya.
Ma'am,
You have
Rosine is
papaya.
showing that.
If you have papaya tree at home, you just observe and see.
Yes, ma'am, I can
Ah.
see it. Rosine is showing.
Some of the papaya trees, only bunches of flowers will come. You will be look at the flower. It will never turn into papaya because it is a male
Ma'am,
papaya
in
tree.
pumpkin also, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
in pumpkin also.
Ah. And also, there is also is a female papaya tree. It will get only one single flower on every branch.
Ma'am,
Rudra Krishna
Rudra is
showing me a
Vrinda, ma'am.
papaya tree, I
Also
think.
Vrinda.
Rudra Krishna.
Yes, ma'am, just like bud.
Rudra
Ma'am, is there
Krishna.
gender in
Are
plants?
you showing a papaya over there?
Yes, ma'am.
But you don't have any flowers on papaya. Show the papaya, Rudra. Where is your papaya tree? You are just showing me.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have it in my home. One big papaya tree.
But there is no flowers. Correct?
Ma'am, all.
Ma'am, I have a papaya tree. So many
Okay,
papayas
good.
are
Good,
inside.
Rudra. Thank you very much. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see?
Which one? Receive.
Ma'am,
What are you showing to me?
Papaya
the rose
tree.
plant.
It is some one tree. What is that? Plant.
Ma'am,
No,
the
no.
rose
Straw
plant.
plant.
Rose flower, ma'am.
Straw plant. But the shoot is not yet come. No? Or only leaves. Okay, already tomorrow maybe another shoot will come in order to become this thing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
children. So it is good. You all go after the class, just to go to the garden or the surrounding and just observe and see. So beautiful to see the flowers. Okay. And everyone should plant either flower plants or show plants, anything. So you will feel the joy of the nature. Okay. So what do you mean by the shoot? Shoot is the part which grows above the soil.
Soil.
And what are the shoot is going to become? Shoot will
Root.
either become flower,
Flower,
stem,
stem or bud.
leaf, branches. Okay. Now, what do you mean by root? The part of the plants that grows under the soil is called
Yes,
root.
a root.
So that's the difference between these are the two major parts of a plant. One is root, another one is shoot. Okay. Shall I change it, children? So part of the, yeah, part of the plant that grows under the soil. You can just write, put a root here and just write that word. Part of the plant that grows under the soil.
Ma'am, can you vomit?
Okay. Part of the plant that grows under the soil. That first sentence is enough. And you know that different plants are different roots. That's very common. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Already written.
Yeah. Everyone has a different roots. Huh? And you see every plant, you take any plant, even the smallest plant to the biggest tree. Look at the
Yeah,
structure
has
of the
roots,
leaf.
ma'am.
Look at the structure of the flowers. Are they all alike? Okay, mango trees have the same structure. But is the mango trees leaves and jackfruit leaves, are they same structure or same
ma'am.
color?
No, ma'am, different.
Similarly, you take a small grass which is growing in front of your house
Yes,
and take
ma'am.
another grass. Are both are same? No.
No.
So
Ma'am, I have
awesome,
two
no?
leaves, ma'am.
So surprised to see. So such a beautiful nature
Yes,
it is, correct?
Yes,
And
ma'am,
the
I have
person
two
who
types of leaves,
created,
ma'am.
yeah, the person
Yeah,
who
one is
created,
me
we call
making
them
the-
God, no?
Yeah.
But
Yes, ma'am.
those who don't believe also, it's okay. But you see,
I
so
believe in God.
awesome. How beautifully they go, everything is created by God. Since I am a religious, I'm talking about God. Okay. So beautifully, every plant,
Yes,
every
ma'am.
flower,
Ma'am, the
different
human
texture.
breeds, so
Yeah.
many more systems are
So many. And you just wanted to
God
see that
created.
there are so many plants, you did not
Yes,
explore it. You go to
Yeah.
forest, you will see beautiful plants and trees and grass. Now come to the
Excuse me.
okay. We have time up to 11:50. So I thought of starting structure of the leaf, but I may see. Are we completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Winter melon also have this male and female.
Yeah, not only anything. Angelina, anything.
Yes,
Now,
when we go.
yes.
Ma'am, when
So
I
next part, structure of a leaf. So we just learned the names. Next class, we will learn the detail about the structure of the leaf.
And
Okay.
blade.
And what is structure of a leaf? There are mainly, leaf has got 4 parts. So we completed, plants are divided into 2 parts, root and shoot. Now we are coming to a single leaf. What do you mean by the structure of a leaf? A structure of a leaf, when you look at here, very easily you can draw this picture. Now, this is my leaf. Your leaf is over, yeah? But each part what you draw, it has got a particular meaning and each part has a particular function. So that is what? The first part of it is blade or lamina. And what do you mean by lamina? Can you see all these skin parts, not the narrow parts, all the green part of the plant is known as lamina. So definition I will give you in the next class. Now you just understand.
Ma'am,
Okay?
is it blade?
Blade, yes. Blade, we call it blade, or scientific
Lamina.
name is lamina. Sometimes we call it leaf blade, because you know the blade, we have got other blade also. It's a leaf blade. Even fans thing, we call it fan blades, that one. Second one is vein, second part of it. The definition and I'll give you in the next class. Don't write, you only write this parts. Vein. Vein is the same as it is vein on our body. the small narrow parts of that is known as wait.
Then midrib, that
Ah.
part.
Third part is midrib. Midrib means middle rib.
Yeah.
We also have a rib. So
Yeah,
in the
middle
leaf, there's a
rib piece.
thicker part in the middle of the plant. From there only veins are forming. Okay. So this is known as midrib. And last part, we have got leaf stalk. I will
Petiole.
write because it is not clear.
Petiole,
So I will
yes.
write leaf stalk.
Ma'am, petiole something.
And it's a botanical name or scientific name is petiole.
Petiole.
These all are petiole.
Excuse me.
Now I told Shreya to bring one leaf. So Shreya will show me all these parts. Okay, Shreya? So by looking at what the plants Shreya has got, you will understand the different parts of the
Ma'am, I have
plants.
2 leaves, ma'am, because
We
one
take
is not-
which one is big. It is be more easy for the children to identify. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can
Shreya,
you spotlight?
that is good. That is good, Shreya. That can be seen very well.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
This
Little more
But
back.
that green
Shreya,
part
little
is-
more back. Yeah. There is another
Lamina,
leaf with
green
you.
part.
Another leaf with you. Oh, that is small one. Okay. Okay, you take the first one.
Ma'am,
Can you-
actually,
Okay.
more clear.
Shreya, can you show me the lamina on that? Touch and show them the lamina.
Yes, ma'am. This
That's
green
it, yeah.
color.
Yeah. Yeah, green
Green
color.
color.
Is lamina. Okay. Where is the veins?
Veins. Can you see
Like
it,
that.
ma'am?
like
Yeah,
this.
little more. It is little blurred because your camera arrangement is not
Yeah.
okay. But
Ma'am,
still,
Angelina has shown it. It's
Yes.
a bit more clear.
yes.
Yes,
Yes, we
Angelina.
can see now the vein. And touch the midrib.
Yes, ma'am, this
Okay.
is good, great.
And there is no leaf stalk.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, but in this leaf it's there, ma'am.
Okay, in this
Small
leaf
part.
stalk is there. Yeah, small part. It is a leaf stalk. Okay. Thank you, Shreya.
Ma'am, I have bought a leaf.
Thank you.
Okay. Then
Let's have this
thank
part,
you very
sir.
much. Angelina, show your leaf. Yeah. Okay. Can you touch
Yes, ma'am,
and
it's
show the
somewhat clear.
lamina? Lamina, which is lamina on that? Green part, green skin of it. Okay. Which is the vein?
Vein that branches, I can see it clearly. in the
Yes.
camera.
Okay, good, good. And which is the midrib? Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
And which
midrib.
is the petiole or leaf stalk?
That.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I hope everyone knows
Yes,
about it now. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have bought a leaf.
Yes, yes. Now everyone I can see because almost time up. There's some beautiful
Yes, ma'am.
leaves shown by
Krishna.
Rudra Krishna. Very good. Rudra
Richard
Krishna.
also there.
That's very beautiful. This is that cotton silk only, no? Cotton silk. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
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 And yes. Okay. So next class, when you come, everyone should have the leaf with you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rudra Krishna. Everyone should have a leaf with you. We will be learning little more detail about all these parts. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Some should have a long leaf. I wanted not everyone bring the same leaf. Rudra Krishna can bring the same leaf. Rudra Krishna, you can bring the same leaf. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I
Next
will
class.
bring the-
And others, one of them, little more longer type, no? Like
Yes, ma'am.
that one. And okay, Richard. So 1 or 2 bring the long leaf. Others you can bring the whatever leaf is available in your home. I am not telling that. That is your thing. You bring it in the class. We have to learn little more detail about the leaf. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, thank you very much, children.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
I took the attendance of you because I know who is always present in the class. Only
Okay.
Blessfin I didn't see. Where is Blessfin? Not yet come. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll meet
Thank
you.